Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Josie, and today we are going to be doing this goth inspired rainbow super dramatic look. And yeah. Oh god, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I had lipstick on my teeth. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, maybe hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam, and let's jump into this video. Really quick guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that Perfect Keto is coming out with 2 new flavors of granola bar. If you guys are unaware, this is more of a crunchy bar, which is actually what I would prefer, honestly. So if you guys were looking for anything new for your keto game, check them out. I will link them down in the description. Alright, so first we like to go in with a primer, and this is the P. Louise primer. We're going to put that onto the eyelid and then lightly set that with some translucent powder. Once that is set, we're going to go in with our first color, which is orange. And I'm really sorry guys, I don't know why my camera was being weird with focusing. I hope you guys are okay with that. But so once we are done with the orange placement, we're going to go in with our yellow placement. We are going to overlap these colors slightly, but really right now we're just going to focus on putting the colors down. So we're going to go in a rainbow pattern. So orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, pink is going to be the order that we go in here. And we're not really going to be focusing on the blend out here because we're actually going to be cutting our crease. So really just put the colors down and you can blend above it after you have all of the colors placed on your eyelid. I'm going to really just very barely flick this out at the end, and once we have the colors down, we're going to go in with a white liner or face paint or concealer and just very carefully make a white line down the center of the rainbow. This is going to kind of give us that neon effect. Once we have that perfected, we are then going to go in with the same colors on each segment of the rainbow and go over that white liner. So orange, and then yellow, and then green, and then aqua, blue, purple, and pink. And right now, all we're really doing is focusing the color on the white line. And then once we have that filled in, we're going to go in with a black cream eyeshadow, and we are just going to put this onto our lid and bring this up to where we want our crease to be cut. I really recommend using a cream eyeshadow first, and then once we have the shape that we like, we can go in and cover it and set it with a black shadow. This will really help get your black space super black and not see-through. It's a trick that I learned during my freelancing. Once we have that in or on, we want to line our lids. Now you can do any kind of line with this look. It doesn't have to be a super dramatic wing, but that's what I'm going for because I am going for the drama. Once we have the wing on, we're gonna go in with that black underneath our eye and kind of focus this all the way around our eye so it's even more dramatic. Then once that is done, I'm going in with a clean brush and we're just gonna blend the colors out just a tad, and then we're gonna take a white face paint and go down that center line that we have already filled in with the color. Make this line as thin as you can get it, and that is what gives you the neon effect. Then just for added creativity, I'm gonna take a glitter, and this is a glitter liner from Deck of Scarlet, and just dot this on the outer portion of the eye. Put our lashes on and do our face makeup, and we're going to move on to a black lip. This is from KVD, and this is one of my favorite black liquid lipsticks. And then you are done. This is the finished look. Oh, this is dramatic. Anyway, that is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.